Hi guys, so I just wanted to talk just a little bit about why I started this channel. When I was learning to cake decorate, I had went to Hobby Lobby and took a couple of welding classes and done a few things like that, but most of the things that I learned on YouTube. The problem was when I was on YouTube, there was a lot of videos where they just were showing people just quickly making cakes, or just showing videos where they were making the things and not really explaining how they were doing it. And the hard part is the how. In reality, I had several times when I was trying to make roses for the first time or trying to do borders for the first time, I just didn't understand that the pressure and the angles and all that stuff made that much of a difference. You think you can just do it and it's just supposed to come out looking good, but it just doesn't. So the reason that I wanted to start this is for beginners and for people who are just starting to learn or just are curious about cake decorating and just want to get started. Because I mean, if you get on here and you're looking for instruction and all you can find is just, you know, people just trying to make pretty videos and people just trying to make, you know, pretty backgrounds and all that kind of stuff, then what you lose is the fundamental part of learning how to cake decorate, and that is not easy. So we just want to learn how to hold our bags, how to, you know, the little tips and tricks like that is what I am all about. So I mean, we'll cover anything. I'm going to do all kinds of videos. I'm trying to do new content every Monday. So I want to do everything from buttercream, flowers and things like that, filler flowers, all the way to just how you do faces and stuff in buttercream. I'll put some pictures on this video of that, what I'm talking about, and just animals and things like that people a lot are using fondant now to do. I don't really, I like fondant. I work with some fondant sometimes, but I mean, sometimes it's just not realistic to be able just to go down there and buy fondant or make fondant and spend all that time, because it takes a lot of time. I mean, it's just not as fast as these people in these videos make it seem. So we'll do some gum paste, some sugar flowers, some just different, all kinds of different things like that on here. So please subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in cake decorating and you really want to learn how, subscribe to my channel. I will go over so many different things, so many different ways to do things, and realistic things, not just making videos and making them look pretty and just saying, here, good luck to you. I'm gonna really try to make realistic tutorial videos and tell you exactly every step on how to do things. So please subscribe. If you know anybody else that is interested in cake decorating, or friends or people you've even met online that are interested in cake decorating, please tell them to subscribe to my channel, and I will put new content out every week, and we will make you professional cake decorators before it is over. That's what Cake Buzz is all about. So see you later.